Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how Afterpay works on Goat, a popular online marketplace for buying and selling sneakers and other streetwear items. Afterpay is a payment service that allows you to buy now and pay later, making it easier to purchase the items you want without breaking the bank. To use Afterpay on Goat, you will need to create an account on both Goat and Afterpay. Once you have created your accounts, you can start shopping on Goat and select Afterpay as your payment method at checkout. Afterpay will then prompt you to log in to your account or create a new one if you are a first-time user. Afterpay works by splitting your purchase into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. For example, if you purchase an item for $200, Afterpay will charge you $50 every 2 weeks for 8 weeks. You will not be charged any interest or fees as long as you make your payments on time. To make a payment, simply log into your Afterpay account and follow the prompts to complete your payment. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment. If you miss a payment, Afterpay will charge you a late fee, so it is essential to make your payments on time. One of the benefits of using Afterpay on Goat is that you can get the items you want now and pay for them later. This can be especially helpful if you are waiting for your next paycheck or want to avoid paying the full amount up front. Additionally, Afterpay does not require a credit check, making it accessible to a wide range of users. To avoid any issues with Afterpay, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions before making a purchase. It is also essential to only spend what you can afford to pay back, as missing payments can result in late fees and negatively impact your credit score. In conclusion, Afterpay is a convenient and flexible payment option that allows you to buy now and pay later on Goat. By following the steps outlined in this guide and making your payments on time, you can enjoy the benefits of Afterpay and get the items you want without breaking the bank. Remember to always read the terms and conditions and only spend what you can afford to pay back to avoid any issues with Afterpay.